So I'm quite shocked and saddened, really. I've just filmed the clip of me playing through this song, and after I did that, I put my guitar down for 5 minutes, and I've just found out that we have lost one of the greatest drummers of all time. We've lost Charlie Watts, the man that played drums on this song, which is, it's a real shame. I'm quite taken aback. And it's ironic that I'm filming this song lesson today, but my thoughts are with his family. And let's all give a lot of thanks to Charlie Watts for being such a tremendous musician and for giving us such great music. And what a great drummer he is. I love his time and his feel. And yeah, my thoughts are with Charlie and the band and his friends and loved ones. So I'm taken back, but let's keep going and let's learn how to play this classic song. So your intro . So your intro goes like that, and really it's just two chords. It's E minor, and then it's to B7. So what we're going to do here, we're going to play the 6th string open, then the 3rd string, then strings 1 and 2 together, and then the 3rd string. So from then on, you've kind of got this pattern of your thumb playing the 3rd string, and then you're playing strings 1 and 2, and repeating that. So like that. So we played the bass, then the 3rd string, and then 1 and 2. Then the 3rd string, and then it's 1 and 2 again, but we're going to play the 2nd fret on the top, then the 3rd string, then 3rd fret on top, and then 3rd string again. So then 5th fret on top, and then the 3rd string, the 5th fret, then the 1st string, then back to the 3rd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, open. So on top your melody is, and you have to put your other notes around that. Like that. Okay? And then the B7 comes along. So here, what I do is I'm going to hold down the 2nd fret on the 5th string and 4th fret on the 4th string and 4th fret also on the 2nd string and open top. So play the 1st string and the 5th, then the 4th string, then the 2nd string, and then the bass. 1st string open, bass, and then 2nd fret on the top. So far. And then we've got, so that there is on the 2nd string 2, hammer to the 4, slide up to the 5th, then 2nd fret on top, on the top string, and then back to the 5th fret on the 2nd, slide down to the 4th, pull off to the 2nd, and then hammer back on to the 4th fret. So, alright. Like that. And that's your introduction, okay? So. Okay, so then you're into the verse, and the great news is it starts the same. Up to that point is exactly the same, all right? So that's great. So we're on the B. We got to there before, but this time we continue. We play the bass, open 1st string after that, then the 4th string, 4th fret, and then the 4th fret on the 2nd string. So Okay, and then I do a little walk down back to the E minor. So that's just on the 5th string, 2nd fret, open, and then 3, 2 on the 6th string, and then straight back. Okay, so I'll put that all together for you. And you just go through again. And then this time, instead of doing the walk down, which you could do, this time I just arpeggiate a B7 chord. So I'm holding down B7, I play strings 5, 4, 3, 2. And then you're into the chorus. So the chorus goes like this. And then you're back. So it's not too hard to play. It may look harder than it actually is, but chords are E minor, D, G, D, E minor. So on the E minor we're going to play the 6th string open, and then I'm barring on the 12th fret the top 3 strings, and I'll play the 3rd string and then the 1st and 2nd together. So then down to D, and I'm playing the D, I'm barring the 10th fret on the 1st and 2nd, and then holding down the 11th fret on the 3rd string. I'll play the top 2 strings with the 4th, and then I'll play the 3rd string, and then strings 1 and 2. So from the E minor, and then it goes down to G like this. So it's just a bar chord for your G. You could hold that down, but I'm just doing the top 3 strings of a G bar chord and the bass. So holding that down, just figure it like that. Yeah, I'm playing the 6th string, the 2nd and the 1st together, then the 3rd string, and then strings 1 and 2 again. So. Then it goes up to a D like this. That's the 5th on top, and then 7 on the 2nd and 7 on the 3rd. Once we're there, we're going to play the top 2 strings together, and then strings 4, 3, 1 and 2, and then back to the 3rd. So. Okay, and then E minor. That's what we've got here. So all you need is the 7th fret on the top string. And I'll play strings 6, 2 and 1, then 3, then 2 and 1 again, and then 3. And then 1, 2, 6, and slide that 7th fret down to the 5th. And then 3rd fret, and then slide 5 to 7 on the top string. So on the top you got, and then like that. So okay, and then when we're there, we play strings 6, 3, 2, 3, 6, 3. And then 3, 2 on the 6th string. Okay, and then you go through that again. So E minor, D, G, D, and then this time instead of going to E minor and playing, you go to A, like this. So A in the bass, and then 7th fret on top, and then 5th fret on the 2nd, and 6th fret on the 3rd. So holding that down, play strings 1, 2 and 5, then 3, then 1 and 2, then 3. So, and then 1, 2 and 5 again, and we pull off 7 to 5. Then 8th fret on the 2nd, Okay, so, and then it's to a B7, and I'm barring all 6 strings, and B7, so you want the 8th fret held down on the G string. But what we do first is we're going to play the top 2 strings. So, and then bass, and then I do a little fill here, and that is 8, pull off the 7 on the top string, and then 10 on the second, and then 8, 7, all on the second string. So, and then I pull off 9 to 8 on the 3rd string. And get to that point and you've got the whole chorus down. So let's go through the chorus once more. And the great news is, once you get to there, you go back and the song is just that repeated, verse, chorus, verse, chorus. You can do that as many times as you want to. In the performance piece, I just go twice through, and then I go back to and then just strum an E minor chord. So there you go. That's how you play this sort of mini arrangement of Paint It Black by the Rolling Stones. It feels very strange teaching this knowing that Charlie Watts has died today. I'm just incredibly grateful for all the great music that he has provided us, and his legacy will live on for many, many, many years. So thanks, Charlie. Thanks a lot.